What's up, everybody? Welcome back to How It's Done. Today we're going to walk you through repairing a bonnet and poppet on a backflow preventer. This is the piece we're going to be replacing. A lot of the times these will break if you have any freezing weather, and that's what we've got here. It's failed. You can see the water just dripping through the side of it when the sprinkler's not running. Shouldn't be doing this at all. Really super simple to replace and repair. Alright, so first thing you're going to want to do is take this little screw off. I've already loosened it. You might need a wrench to get it, might not. And that'll expose the bonnet. Now a lot of the times these get brittle, they just snap. You need to actually get in there with a hammer and a screwdriver to spin it off. Sometimes you can do it with your hand, sometimes you can't. But first thing you want to do is shut off the water supply. Valve here, just like that. So this is going to be your inlet. You see the little arrow showing which way the flow is going to be going, so that's your outlet. This goes to your yard. Go ahead and close that anyways. And now we can try and twist this off without breaking it. Probably not going to happen. Got a pair of pliers here that I'm going to use to see if I can twist it enough. Sometimes you'll use a screwdriver, sometimes you use a pair of pliers. But it does want to break a lot, so you might just have to use a hammer and a flat head to kind of chisel it out. Let's see if we can get it like this. You have to excuse my camera work. I'm trying to hold this and twist it at the same time. It's not giving me enough leverage. Yeah. So it's stuck on there pretty good. You can see this piece is already starting to bend, so probably just going to have to use a hammer and break it into pieces and get it out that way. If you're doing that, you just want to be careful of the threads on this metal part, that you're not damaging it, so you always want to hit it inward this way toward the center and try and hit it to get it to start to spin. Alright, I was able to get a little bit more leverage on it when I wasn't holding the camera, so it spun a little bit. Might have to use the screwdriver some more. That's good. That's what you want. You don't want it to snap off. But if it does snap off, like I said, not the end of the world. Just takes a little bit more effort to get that off. So, yeah. Spin that piece completely off. And this is the bonnet, and this piece in here is the poppet. So to replace it, just drop the new one in there, make sure it's got the spring on it, put the bonnet over it, making sure that this little shaft goes inside the poppet. And that's really all there is to it. And we'll turn the water back on. You might have a little water splash out when this bit at the top gets popped up. But that should be it. You shouldn't have any more flowing over the edges after that. And that's all there is to it. Now we'll just take this nut off. Put this back on. Place the nut. I know you just came off of there, and there you go. And we'll get that tightened up, and you're good to go. Quick and easy repair.